Okay, now. Very good. See, they're doing pretty well. They're eating good. The finish. Why? Because they are hungry and they already knew you as like you were their parents. Means তুমি ওর মা বাবা ঠিক আছে that means you are good to feed them always feed them and every day how many times 5 times in a day ঠিক আছে আব্বু 5 times মানে 5 বার খাওয়াবা তুমি so they gonna get bigger and they more gonna be what do you call interested on you like they want to come around you and play with you but you have to feed them and growth and you have to grow them more bigger after 2 months or 1 month later okay let them just see put it in clean little bit clean slowly no see he's running very smart slowly আস্তে হাত থেকে যেন না পড়ে right if they fall he gonna get hurt দেখো তো ওর পেটে পিছনে আস্তে পিছনে দেখো তো আসছে না কিছু আসছে নাই more feed them more okay I tell you how to hold আস্তে slowly they're gonna triangle এটা ভাঙি যাবে আস্তে আব্বু be very careful okay তোমার বলছি না কিভাবে দিতে হয় other way
একটু ধরে নিয়ে
okay ধরো okay সারা okay very good now okay here okay let them get this one okay take this one out okay now I tell you how to hold okay gently okay grab both feather wing slowly ধরো okay yes আস্তে আব্বু তোমারে শিখেছি না তুমি কেন ছাড়ি দিও ওটা hold them okay ঠোঁটটারে হাত কলার দ্বারা রাখো hey nice very good this is the way you hold them okay see okay ভালো করে খাবো now nice very good Jennifer doing great job feeding her bird this is very exciting okay I love it so yeah give them more food তোমার কলাটা দিতে হবে ওর কলাটা দিতে হবে তো কলাটা ধরো নাই ওর মাথাটা you have to hold his head little bit তাহলে সে নড়তে পারবো না ঠিক আছে আস্তে ওকে like this করো mix more yes so see hey okay বেশি করে নাও hey when they open their mouth you just put them in yeah that's nice see you're learning Jennifer best hand feeder okay that's great look cute after a week later they're gonna be very nice very cute and they're gonna be more different type of feather their feather are gonna be more big then they're gonna look cute okay and at the time they gonna come to you and play with you you just what do you call teach them how to train put your finger like that and give some toys maybe asta slowly Abu slowly okay next okay so what do you do where are you Jennifer finish okay now see you done right you done না কিছু করে দেবো না আস্তে করে দেবো না বেশি because why if they okay ও তোমার করো এটা করো এগুলো ক্লিন করো এটা করো এটা করো just close it out okay put it away down here. Don't need to put it away. Very nice. Okay, great. Okay, wash them out. Wash them. This one too. Jenny, take this one. Okay, guys, I just finished hand feeding my three budgie chicks. Okay, I'll see you soon. Actually, what to say? I hope they get bigger soon and we are able to play with them. Thank you, guys.